Right now, we are looking at MYOS Technology, or MYOS. Right now, it's about looking like 8 times the average volume. One of the volume winners for this morning. Uh, Earlier, it corrected its EMAs. The 200 and 250 are just about to cross. And yeah, there's a good amount of volume in this play today, and we are just waiting for our 50 EMA buy-in target, which stands at under 175 right now. So we're going to see just a minor update. The $2 range was just about acting as resistance. It still kind of is right now. It cracked over the 199 a little bit, or actually, I apologize, that was 195. Right now, it's still trying to crack over $2. There's a decent bid support at 190, but we're going to stick to the plan and follow the 50 EMA, which is currently standing at about 179 and under. The 200 and 250 are neck and neck, just about to cross. 100% confident that they will. Here's the 100 EMA sitting at 165, and as you can tell, the EMAs have now corrected themselves, and we are just waiting for our buy-in opportunity. Just another minor update here. So it did crack over the $2 and rose up all the way to 225. Not quite the new high of day, but it did raise our 50 EMA buy target to just under 190. But this is still the volume mover for today, and yeah, we're just going to be patient here and wait for under 190. Just another minor update here. It did go over the previous spike of 225. It is now rocking 230, which is good news for us. That means the $2 level has been holding, although our buy-in target is still just under $2. The more separation it has from the 50 to the current ask bid is actually good for us. And if we can just get a dip, this chart is still looking very strong, still making higher lows. And that was a good spike. I think the high of day is 235, and that one was to 230, so not quite the new high of day. But she's building up pressure now, still top of the volume as far as the scanner goes. And yet we are waiting for under $2. And it looks like we might have to buy in the sub twos here, but we'll see if we can't get a drop sometime soon. All right, that was our 50 EMA dip. We were able to buy in 203. And looks like first sell target is 210s. Just to be safe. Yeah, 210s. And yeah, we'll see if we can't grab a few more on the 100. Hopefully it goes back to retrace the high of day. But right now we are in 203 and our average is looking okay so far. Alright, so we hopped over our sell target at 210. We were able to sell a good amount at 210. We have a tight stop loss at 204. And we're going to see if we can't continue to bounce back from this point. Alright, while we did sell most of our shares over 210, we did get stopped out. I'm not sure why this chart isn't updating real time right now, but we did get stopped out at 204. And right now, our new buy-in target is under 193, if it can get there, because clearly it failed to break out after 210, which means there's just not a lot of volume coming in right now. It's kind of tapering off. So we're going to stay patient here and aim for the 100 EMA instead. Alright, so it did end up dipping under the 100 EMA right into 190. I was not able to get any because it lasted for just a few seconds, and then it popped right back over to 194. And I knew it was going to push $2, and that would be the last trade you could probably pull on this thing. 50 is most likely going to cross downward, and shorts probably have control of this thing, considering the volume is pretty much non-existent at this point. But we were able to get our first play in. It would be nice to get a second trade, but yep, better trades next time.